Yeah. Yeah, I'll keep it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jenica Elizabeth, and today I decided to do a closet clean out since spring is around the corner. I would look for pieces that I don't wear often anymore, and then if I decided that I want to part ways with it, stay tuned so you guys can see how I list an item in Depop. Let's go rummage to my closet. Okay, so we are done with the rummaging part, and I got few pieces that I am so on, like I'm not sure if I would keep them or not. So let's decide together if I am still keeping them. So the first one in my list is this maroon trench coat from Zara. I think it's faux leather. It has these details and it looks nice. It used to have a belt, but I don't know where that is now. It's perfect for fall, so let's see if I still like it or not. So I honestly don't like how it fits me anymore, so we are going to go ahead and list it. Stunning, but I don't think I would still wear or like reach for it. It's also like missing few buttons. Okay, so the next one is this coat with a built-in scarf from Cole Haan. I haven't used it. I bought this like 5 years ago or so, and I bought this because I was obsessed with Olivia Pope, the Scandal series with Miss Kerry Washington herself. I love that series so much, and she has the best coats, so she inspired me to buy coats that are out there. Let's see if I still love it or not. Okay, so this is her. It's pretty warm, I'll tell you that. It's past my knees. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, it's like past my knees a bit. And it has a built-in shawl. It's very warm, but I don't think I would still use it. So I think I'm gonna list it. We are down to 3 items, and this is the third item. This is like a cropped denim, cream denim jacket with a raw hem. It's still new actually, like I haven't worn it. This is from Zara. Let's decide if I love it or I list it. It's actually nice, like it still fits me nice. So before I decide to like really keep this, I would have to give myself a reason to. I have to consider my fashion. What am I wearing? What am I into? Is it a classic piece that would stand any trend? And I have to visualize myself wearing this in at least 3 different outfits. Yeah, I'll keep it. Fourth item is this North Face. It's not parka, but it's some sort of like a waterproof coat, like pea coat. It comes with a belt. It is size extra small and it doesn't fit me anymore. I actually got my return of investment from how many times I wore this. I think it's time to go because like I can't wear it anymore just because it doesn't fit me anymore. So this is definitely a list. She would need to find a new home. So my last item, it's this dress from Nordstrom. It's the brand Halogen in size 2. I haven't worn it yet. This is like originally $150. The truth behind me buying this is because it's a spurt of the moment. Like I was not in a good mental place at that time, and I feel like the only thing that would make things better is when I do online shopping and I check out an item and actually wait for it to be delivered. The waiting game of shipping and delivery, I love that. So this is how it looks on me. has like a v-neck detail to it, like a big volume sleeve. As you can see, it has like this pastel polka dot details on it. It's cute, but I don't see myself wearing it in any occasion, so we are going to list it. I usually self-shoot, so it's very essential that I have this Bluetooth shutter. Then I would proceed to taking pictures with the product in different angles. I would also take a video for a more detailed view of the product, and I would usually include damages if there's any. So let's start by opening our Depop app. When you open it, you click this store icon. You would see a button underneath saying list an item. You would click that and it would automatically bring you to this, where the first thing that you have to do is pick pictures and videos for the item that you are selling. For the videos, I usually mute it. Then I write my description. I try to be as specific as I can with the description. I also list down the things that the buyer has to know, like for example, it's missing buttons, or like it has wear and tear. Like as you can see, it has some scratches, so I have to list that in there. I forgot to add, but like I'll just add it now. I would put like a small positive paragraph before my negatives first, so I just said that it's perfect for fall or winter. I would also just like put some tags, like some brands that might be selling the same thing, or like it's giving the same vibe, so I just put like those. I just put like mini like words for SEOs right there, so it can be easily searchable. And then we go ahead and fill in the necessary things like the category, brand, condition, type, size, how much are you selling it for, and the shipping. So you have different shipping options here, and I put the large one. I always make sure that the buyer pays for shipping, because otherwise it would be deducted from your listed price as well. So just keep that in mind, and then just like post the listing, and then here we are. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the part 2 of my spring closet clean out, and as always, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!